Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stash base using an easy method. First, find a location that is both secure and discreet, away from common paths. Look for areas with natural cover, like dense bushes or under large roots, to help hide your spot effectively. Make sure you have all your tools ready, including a sturdy shovel and durable, waterproof containers to protect your valuable items from the elements. Now let's get to digging. Excavate a hole that is at least 2 feet deep and about 1.5 feet wide. This size provides ample space for most items. Once dug, line the entire hole with a robust, waterproof barrier, such as heavy-duty plastic sheeting, to prevent moisture intrusion. Carefully place your sealed, waterproof containers inside, ensuring they fit snugly. With your items safely stored, it's time for concealment. Begin by covering the containers with a generous layer of the excavated dirt, followed by natural materials like leaves, twigs, and small rocks. Then, carefully replace a top layer of local vegetation, such as grass or moss, to make the area look undisturbed. Remember to mark your spot subtly, perhaps with a unique natural feature, so only you can find it again. Finally, regular maintenance is key to a successful stash base. Periodically visit your spot to check for any signs of disturbance or erosion that might expose your hidden items. If needed, reinforce the concealment by adding more natural materials or adjusting the vegetation to keep it looking untouched. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.